we are going to add a domain to our Office 365 environment. And to do that, you want to get into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And you want to come over to Settings and click on Domains. You're going to click on the Add Domain button. And since I already own this domain, I am going to add it here. So ACH Automotive, this is my car YouTube channel. It's another side hustle I have. We'll click Use Domain. And it's going to prompt you that you need to go and add a TXT record to your domain's DNS records. There's a couple other options. I'm going to do this one since I have Google Domains, and it's very easy for me to add this. So we're going to click Continue. And then they want you to add this DNS value to your domain. So we'll come over to Google Domains. We'll find our domain and go to DNS. Now, Google does not support the @ sign, so leave that blank. It is going to be, the type is going to be a TXT record. The time to live is 3600. And the text, we need to come back over here and put this value in and click, we'll copy and paste that. We'll add that, and then we'll click Save. Now, depending on your registrar, this may take a little bit to synchronize. When I did it trying to do my run through before I do my videos, it was pretty quick. So let's click on Verify. And there we go. So it verified it. So now we can connect our domain. So let's click Continue. And I'm going to manage my own records. There are different options that allow you to let Microsoft manage your DNS, etc. But this is what I have chosen for the moment. So we need to create these 3 records here. The first one is an MX record. It has a priority of 0. So we'll copy this and we'll come back over to our DNS and manage custom records. And we're going to change, or we're going to add a new record. And this one is going to be an MX record. The time to live is going to be 3600. We're going to put a 0 in front of it for the priority. I'm going to paste that there. We're going to create another new record, and this one's going to be a CNAME. And we're going to point that to Auto Discover, just like so. So we'll select CNAME, type in Auto Discover, and then paste our value here. One more record, and that's our TXT record, or it's basically going to be our SPF record. And we're going to copy this value. Time to live is 3600. We'll leave that blank. And we're going to save it. There we go. Yes, replace the records. And now you can see I've got my MX record, I've got my TXT record, and I've got my CNAME record. So let's go back over to Microsoft. And we're going to see, I'm not worried about Skype for Business or Intune at this point for this demo. So we're going to click Continue. It's going to go out and check the DNS records. And again, depending on your registrar, will depend upon how fast this happens. Sometimes it's quick like this. Sometimes it takes a little while for it to synchronize. So click Done. And now you can see the domain has been added here, and you can create accounts on it. You can create aliases, whatever whatever you would need to do. Your domain is now here. So that's how you add a domain to your Office 365 environment.